Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how to create SharePoint theme site. So there are two different ways. For the first one, you just have to go to the SharePoint site itself, and then you just have to click create site, wait for that to load, and then you will see this theme site. Just click that and input the name of the site. Usually you can use what kind of team who will be working in this site. Then after that, you can input like a site description just to describe what you will do in this site or what this site is gonna be all about. And then for the settings, privacy settings, you can use public or private, but you can use private. Usually it is used. And then you can add your team members here, but it's also okay if you don't add anyone. Then you can click finish and you will be directed to this page. Your site has been created. And then the second one is through OneDrive. So what you will do is on OneDrive website, go to create shared library. So what you have to do is just name this library. I will name it according to what the team is going to be all about, and then you can add a team member. So once this has been created, you just have to go back to the original site of OneDrive, and then you will see here the groups you have. I'm going to go to the prototype team, and there you go. You've already created another site for SharePoint using your OneDrive, and that's it. Those are the ways to create theme sites on SharePoint. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.